Hello there, welcome back to the channel. You might already know that in today's rapidly evolving tech landscape, AI and data science professionals are in high demand. But with so many emerging tools and technologies, it can be tough to know which skills will set you apart in the job market. This video is aimed at giving you the insights you need to succeed as a data scientist. So, let's get started. The first skill for any AI or data science professional is the strong command of programming languages. For the majority of data scientists, Python is the top choice due to its simplicity and the wealth of libraries for data analysis and machine learning. R is also crucial for statistical computing and data visualization, making it another key language to master. While Python and R are widely popular, don't overlook SQL. Data is often stored in relational databases, and SQL is essential for storing, extracting, and manipulating this data. Julia is also a rising star in the AI and data science field due to its performance in numerical computing. Before you can even think about building machine learning models, you need to be proficient in data wrangling and pre-processing. Employers value candidates who can clean, transform, and prepare raw data for analysis. Real-world data is messy, and knowing how to handle missing data, scale and normalize datasets, and engineer meaningful features is crucial. Employers are looking for data professionals who can turn raw data into structured and meaningful data sets ready for analysis. Data visualization is key to communicating your findings and insights to stakeholders who may not have a technical background. Having the ability to create clear, impactful visuals is just as important as your technical skills. Tools like Matplotlib and Seaborn are great for building visuals in Python, while ggplot2 is widely used in R. But if you're looking to create more interactive, business-oriented dashboards, tools like Tableau and Power BI are highly valued in the job market. Today's businesses are dealing with massive amounts of data, and employers are looking for data scientists who can work with big data technologies. Tools like Hadoop and Spark are crucial for processing large datasets, while Hive helps with data querying. Kafka, a distributed event streaming platform, is increasingly important for real-time data processing. Having experience with any of these technologies will give you a competitive edge over your competition. Certifications can boost your credibility and demonstrate your expertise to employers. Here we have mentioned top AI and data science certifications. These certifications from top tech companies like Google, Microsoft, and AWS are highly respected in the industry and can validate your skills in AI, data science, and machine learning. And to prepare for these certification exams, you just have to visit pass4future.com and start your preparation right away. Whether you're new to the field or want to specialize further, earning one of these certificates can significantly enhance your career prospects. The AI and data science landscape is constantly evolving, so staying updated with the latest tools, techniques, and trends is vital for long-term success. To remain competitive, invest in continuous learning through online courses and certifications. Attending industry conferences and webinars can keep you informed about emerging trends, while networking with other professionals can open up new career opportunities. Alright, that's a wrap-up. AI and data science skills are in high demand, but you can only stand out in this competitive job market if you have a complete mastery of the right tools, technologies. Also, don't forget to try our free demo questions at pass4future.com if you want to prepare for your upcoming certification exam.